welcome to Auto Revs back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in this video I am going to show you guys this car, which is the Hyundai i20. Now this is the 2018 model. It's a petrol variant and it's been driven 34,000 kilometers. And guys, it is available in the used car market. Talking about the price as well as where it is available, I'll tell you guys all of those things by the end of the video, so stay tuned for that as well. And guys, before buying a used car, it is really very important to inspect the car by yourself, so please do not forget to do that. And what all things are needed to be checked, you can definitely DM me on Instagram and I'll definitely tell you what all things are needed to be checked before buying a used car. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly start the video. And in the video I'll definitely tell you guys, talk about the exterior as well as the interior and how much space is available in the Hyundai i20. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started. Hello everyone and welcome to Auto Revs back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in this video I am going to give you guys a walk around of this car, which is the Hyundai Elite i20. Now this variant is the Magna variant, and guys, as you can see in this particular white color, the car definitely looks quite a lot attractive and royal, I would say. At the front you have a big honeycomb grille sort of a design with Hyundai badge. Talking about the headlamps, as I mentioned earlier, this is the Magna variant, because of which here you have your normal halogen bulbs provided. Here also you don't really get fog lamps, that is something which you need to install additionally. And definitely it is quite a lot attractive, I would say. The car definitely looks very much attractive, and that is the reason why it has been one of the hot selling products. Talking about the tire profile, here you have 14 inches steel rims provided. The tire profile is 185/70R14. Those are 14 inches steel rims with wheel caps which you get over here. Here you have your side indicator provided, and in this particular variant you have your body colored ORVMs with your door handles, so that is again a nice thing to have, body colored door handles and ORVMs in the Magna variant. And it also gets the floating roof design, and definitely the design is very much attractive, I would say. Talking about the rear tire profile, here as you can see it is again similar, which is 185/70R14. Those are 14 inches steel rims with wheel caps provided at the rear as well. And now this is the rear profile of the car. Here as you can see in the center head position you have your Hyundai logo. And talking about the tail lamps, here you have your LED tail lamp setup provided, which is definitely a good thing to have. And this light is your reverse light. Whenever you put it into reverse, this light turns on, and you also get reflectors. And here again you have your i20 badge as well. So that is about the rear profile of the car. And guys, definitely because of the looks, this car has been one of the best selling cars in the Indian market right now. And guys, this particular car is available in the used car market at Justin Motors, Navi Mumbai. If you are interested, you can definitely contact them. I'll reveal the price by the end of the video, so stay tuned for that as well. So guys, right now I'm inside the car, and as you can see, this is how the dashboard and the interior of the Hyundai i20 actually looks like. Definitely the dashboard and the interior looks quite a lot premium, I would say. They have actually used dual colors, black and beige colors have been used over here, and this is how the car actually looks like from the interiors. This is the steering wheel of the car, and on the steering wheel you don't really have a lot of buttons. Here you have your reset as well as strip button. This is your instrument cluster. On the left you have your tachometer, on the right you have your speedometer, in the center you have your MID provided. It will show you a lot of details, and from the trip button you can actually see a lot of details by pressing it. So here as you can see, trip A, trip B, your temperature, odometer reading, it will be showing you, and it will also show you your distance to empty, average fuel consumption as well. So all of those things can be seen right over your fuel gauge as well. These are your wiper lever, these are your wiper lever, these are your this is your lever for your headlights. And talking about the door pads, here as you can see, here you actually have your power window switches. This is to lock your power windows, and from here you can adjust your ORVMs, which is again a nice thing. Here you have a bottle holder provided. Here again you have some space to keep your stuff. From here you can actually open your bonnet of the car. This is your headlight leveler provided over here. And in this variant you don't really get a touchscreen music system. This is the music system which you get. You can check out the sound quality of the music system on our Instagram page. I am not uploading it here because of the copyright issues, so you can definitely check out the video on our Instagram handle. And yeah, that's about it. In the music system you actually have Bluetooth as well as USB aux connectivity. Here you have your normal controls for your air conditioning system, AC. Here again you have your 12-volt charging point, USB as well as aux connectivity. Here you have your 5-speed gearbox provided. This is the Swachh can which Hyundai actually provides, which is again a nice thing. Below the handbrake you actually have some space. Here again you have a cup holder provided. Below the driver side armrest, you have again some space to keep your stuff. This is your armrest. Talking about the glove box is actually decent in size. I would say it is a cool glove box provided, so that is a nice thing to have. In the sun visor, as you can see, you don't really get a vanity mirror over here. Here you definitely have a vanity mirror in the sun visor on the co-driver's side. So guys, yeah, that's about the interior of the Hyundai i1020. Now let's quickly move in the second row, and I'll show you guys the space which you get in the second row of the Hyundai i20. So now let's quickly move behind. So guys, right now I'm in the second row of the Hyundai i20, and as you can see, this is the amount of space which you get in the second row of the car. You can definitely stretch your feet below the driver as well as co-driver seat. The driver's seat is not all the way ahead, it is somewhere in the middle, I would say, and you definitely can stretch your feet below the driver as well as co-driver seat. In terms of knee room, you have decent amount of knee room. The under thigh support is definitely quite good, I would say. Here again you have your air vents provided behind, and here you don't really have a big humps, which is again definitely a nice thing. And in terms of shoulder room, you can easily get two adults and a kid in the middle. Here you have an handle to hold on to with hook. There is also an handle provided. Other than the driver side, you actually get handles to hold on to. Here you also have an hook provided. Talking about the door pads, here as you can see, now you can definitely keep your 1 liter bottle. This is your power window switch, this is your door handle, and yeah, that's about it. Talking about the headroom, you have actually decent amount of headroom, I would say, which is again a nice thing. Here you have your light provided. And guys, this is how the dashboard and the interior of the Hyundai i20 looks like. The interior definitely looks quite a lot premium, I would say. So yeah, that's about the space which you get in the second row. Now let's quickly move outside and let me quickly show you guys the boot space of the car. So guys, this is your 245 liters of boot space which you get in the Hyundai Elite i20, and as you can see, the opening of the boot is quite wide, because of which loading in luggage won't be a problem at all. This is your car cover provided over here, and here as you can see, you also have hooks provided where you can definitely hang your grocery bags. And this is the spare wheel of the car. Again, the tire profile is 185/70 R14. So guys, yeah, that's about it. That's about the boot space of the car. So guys, this is the 1197cc 4-cylinder petrol engine which you get in the Hyundai Elite i20, which produces around 82 bhp of power at 6000 rpm and produces 114 Newton meters of torque at 4000 rpm. And guys, talking about the ARAI claim mileage, the ARAI claim mileage of this particular car is 19.8 kilometers per liter. So those are the engine specifications. So guys, this car is available at Jassi Motors, Navi Mumbai at a price point of 6.5 lakh rupees. If you are interested, you can definitely contact Mr. Karan. Contact details are given in the description box below. So guys, yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys like the video. Still, if you have any questions, you can definitely ask it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer most of your doubts. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, drive safe, ride safe. Bye-bye. If you still haven't checked out our Hindi channel, do check it out as well. All the links are given in the description box below.